Hello and welcome to Structon's episode of AI Explained. In today's episode, we will take a look at how Boston Dynamics, the company behind the famous four-legged robot Spot, created a robot tour guide that can interact with visitors using natural language and show them around a museum.
The charging stations where Spot robots rest and recharge.
This project is a proof of concept for the robotics applications of foundation models, which are large machine learning models that can be adapted to a wide range of downstream tasks. Foundation models are trained on massive amounts of data, often using self-supervised or semi-supervised learning, which means they can learn from unlabeled or partially labeled data without human intervention. Some examples of foundation models are GPT-3, BERT, and DALL-E, which can perform tasks such as natural language understanding, text generation, image generation, and multimodal reasoning. Foundation models can be used as base models for developing more specialized and complex models tailored to specific use cases or domains. Boston Dynamics used several foundation models to create their robot tour guide. The main component is ChatGPT, a conversational model developed by OpenAI that can interact with users in natural language. ChatGPT is based on GPT-3, one of the largest language models ever created. With 175 billion parameters, ChatGPT can answer questions, admit mistakes, challenge incorrect premises, and reject inappropriate requests based on input prompts. ChatGPT is integrated with Spot's hardware and software, which enables the robot to move around the museum, avoid obstacles, and use its cameras and sensors to perceive the environment. To make the robot tour guide more engaging and informative, Boston Dynamics also used other AI models to enhance ChatGPT's capabilities. For example, they used a text-to-speech model to generate realistic and expressive speech from ChatGPT's text output. They also used a speech-to-text model to transcribe the user's speech input into text for ChatGPT to process.
My linguistics have been meticulously crafted to provide an authentic British experience.
Additionally, they used a face detection model to recognize the user's face and a sentiment analysis model to infer the user's emotion from their voice and facial expression. These models help the robot tour guide to personalize the interaction and adjust its tone and content accordingly. Furthermore, Boston Dynamics used a knowledge graph model to provide ChatGPT with relevant information about the museum exhibits. A knowledge graph is a structured representation of facts and relationships among entities, such as people, places, events, and concepts. The knowledge graph model can query the knowledge graph using natural language and return concise and accurate answers for ChatGPT to use in its responses. The knowledge graph model can also update the knowledge graph with new information learned from the user's feedback or from other sources. The robot tour guide project demonstrates how foundation models can be combined and fine-tuned to create novel and useful applications for robotics. By using foundation models as building blocks, Boston Dynamics was able to create a robot tour guide that can communicate with visitors in natural language, show them around the museum, answer their questions, and learn from their feedback. The robot tour guide is not only a fun and educational experience for the visitors, but also a valuable source of data and insights for Boston Dynamics and the museum. That's all for today's episode of AI Explained. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to leave your comments and questions below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.